very good evening from Myeong-Dong Street Market. This place is completely alive until 1, 2 a.m. I call it a street market, it's actually a night market, and there's a lot of people watching me right now because I don't think they're used to people vlogging out here in the middle of the street. But there's food, there's restaurants, there's markets, they're selling all sorts of goods, all sorts of products, merch, clothes, you name it basically, and it is busy. It is really difficult to get a grip on which way to go, to be honest with you, because every direction that you go to, there is something going on. There's an event, some form of music, some form of, I don't know, store that's selling something. And each floor out here, it sells, they'll go out and one floor will do food, the second floor will do merch, the third floor will do, I don't know, a photography thing. It is really, really popular out here in South Korea to have photo booths. And what will happen is, you go to the photo booths and you take some pictures and you go and take some pictures with some of the goodies or whatever it is that's inside. And it's really, really cool. I mean, the culture here, the food, the people are really, really amazing. Let's go explore some of this night market stuff, some of the food. Maybe I might find something good to buy. Way to inside a store. They sell K-pop stuff, I believe, so I'm gonna go and check it out. The lovely lady came up to me and said, come and check this stuff out, so why not? And there's the lovely lady. Okay, I've got a live microphone with me, thank you very much. So I'm here with Yuna. Hello, hello, Yuna.
Hi.
And we are in Myeong-Dong Street, is that correct?
Yeah, Myeong-Dong.
Okay, cool. So yeah, we're in this amazing store. What do you guys sell? What is it?
We sell like K-pop foods, K-beauty, like K-fashion, K-food,
Nice.
all over Korean everything.
So basically, what she's saying is, if you're wanting some K-pop stuff, come to Myeong-Dong Street, second floor out here. And if you're into K-pop stuff, K-drama, all of that great stuff, this is a shop to be. And yeah, they sell some amazing merch, some amazing objects, some amazing things. Yeah, should we go have a look? Yeah, one of the things that's caught my eyes are these amazing little dolls. Who are they?
They're BTS.
Okay, so for those that are into BTS, these are these amazing, accurate dolls. Take a look. Korean vocab has increased. I now know how to say hi in Korean. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. 감사합니다. Let's do it. 안녕하세요. Okay, there's a store behind me called Olive Young, and I kid you not, it's like an upgraded version or a more busier version than Sephora, than every single skincare company, brand, store you can ever think of. It is literally packed. Every single store that I've been to so far, well, walked past to, it is completely packed out, honestly. There's about 20 girls in there just on one aisle. Crazy, crazy busy. Okay, this is where the honest opinion comes in. So having explored quite a bit already of the food places, the clothes places, but mostly the food, I can definitely say that the food is good, or at least it looks good, but they are a little bit more pricier than some of the other places I've been outside of this night market. I think it's just because of the environment and the location. I think maybe that's why the prices are a little bit more steeper. But with the exception of that, I mean, it's still good. They still do the same type of food, a bit more creativity out there. I think something to be aware of, if you come here, you can get the same thing elsewhere for cheaper, but you know, if you're here for the vibes, then why not? Okay, I've always wanted one of these amazing big ice creams, and yeah, I'm gonna get one. Hopefully the Choco Vanilla one's gonna be good. Here we go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have my Choco Vanilla ice cream. Here we go. It tastes like Choco Vanilla. Yep. Choco Vanilla. there's anything that I've noticed so far out here in Seoul, probably the most same thing with the whole of Korea, but behind me is a police station. And what they have here is they have lots of police stations, but they're all quite small branches basically. So I think from what I understand from speaking to some of the locals, there's a couple police officers at each single police station and they they oversee that area, like a neighborhood watch basically, but from the police. Okay, I'm at the Underground market, which is at the end of the road from Myeong-Dong Street. And I kid you not, it is deserted here, of course, firstly, because everywhere's closed. But the more important thing here is, if you do come here, honestly speaking, real fact here, it's not worth it, man. Honestly, it's just like, you can find this stuff everywhere. They're still pricey. It's not like they're cheap or anything like that. I think the only fancy thing that makes it about this place is the fact that it's underground. Well, so is the metro, so is the subway.